Hi, I'm Belle from Gardening Express, and this is a quick introduction to dealing with weeds in your garden. Weeds are any unwanted plants growing in your garden. It's perfectly normal to have some of these growing in amongst your plants, so don't worry if they start to make things look messy. Annual weeds that have a 1-year life cycle can generally be uprooted by hand or using a hoe. They tend to be quite shallow rooted, so they're really quite easy to remove. Perennial weeds can last for more than a year, so can have deeper roots, but for the most part these can also be easily removed using a hoe or a fork if the roots are a bit deeper. Using a mulch or membrane can help to stop perennial weeds from growing back. If you're looking for chemical control, systemic weed killers are best for perennial weeds as they go through all the different parts of the plant, so there's nothing left to regrow from. When you're using weed killers, it might be best to cover up the nearby plants that you do want to keep to make sure they don't get affected. Keeping on top of weeds in your garden can be overwhelming, but following these tips should help to keep them at bay. For any more information or tips on gardening, be sure to check out the other educational videos and articles on our website. Thank you for watching and enjoy your garden.